Hello everyone. Here's how you can create a swipe card animation in Alight Motion. So first you bring in your rounded rectangle and you resize it to whatever size you want. So this is the size I want in my own case. Next I'm going to duplicate this. I'm going to make 4 copies. This 2, 3, duplicate. After that I'm going to position each of these cards just the way I want them. Position this here, position this here. I will ensure they are aligned and centered, and then the last one I'll position it off the screen. I'm going to set that later. Then next you bring in your null object. The null object will be used for the movement. So what do we do next is to parent each of these cards to the null object. So this is how to parent. You just click on the card, click on this box here and click on the null. So it will parent it to the null object. Do that for the 4 cards. That's the next step. Now the third step is to make the movement using the null. So the movement of the card will be done using the null object. So now we want to make the movement since we've added everything to the null. So here we want it to start from here. You can see as I move the null object, all the cards move together. So because they are all parented to the null object. Now for this first 1 second, I don't want it to move. So for the first 30 frames, I don't want it to move. Then in the next 15 frames, I want it to move to the next card. So I just make the movement. I position it so I position the next card to the center, and then I add my curve just like this. Good. Now in the next 1 second, I don't want it to move, so I just add my keyframe. Then in the next 15 frames, I want it to move to the next card. Okay, so I'll go to the fourth card and I'm going to position it properly. I'm going to position the fourth card properly, so I can come back to my null object, position this third card properly. Good. Now in the next 1 second, I don't want it to move. Oh, I didn't add the curve, so I add the curve like this. Then in the next 1 second, I don't want it to move, so it should be like this. And then in the next 15 frames, I want it to move to the last card. So the last card will be positioned at the center, and then I add my curve. And when I play it back, this is what I have so far. You can see that's looking nice already. So this is how you can create the swipe card transition. To make it more interesting, you can decide to add images to your cards just like this. You bring an image of a model, you reduce the opacity, then you place it such that it will fit into the card to fit. Good. So and then you bring the opacity up, then you take it down under this first card, and then you clip it. Click on the second one here, then you clip it. You can see it is now inside the card, but when it moves, it won't move, so you have to parent it again. You have to parent it again to the null. When you parent it again to the null, you can see it's moving together. And to do that for the second card, just go pick your model, position it under the next card, come to the position of the next card, then you fit it properly, and then you clip both of them using the second card, and then you pick it and you merge it to the null. So let's start again, and you can see, and you can do that for the rest. When you are done, you export your project, and that is how you can create this transition. So see you in the next tutorial. Bye for now.